Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change navigation bar on Pixel phones. Okay, and it's a very simple tutorial. You can simply do that from your phones. So just swipe up for the screen, getting menu, go to settings application after that, then select display and touch. Okay, then swipe up the screen for navigation mode. You can see that. Open navigation mode. There is two kind of navigation. First one is just navigation. Second one is three button navigation. Currently we are on just navigation. Click on three button navigation. Then you can see there is that three button is came here. And you can simply press that back button for back and round button for home and square button for recent applications. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply change your gesture navigation mode to three button navigation on your Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.